Morning folks, Waz here at B&B Audio Concepts. What do we have here today? Porsche 911 Turbo. Original PCM was a little bit outdated, so we added the new KENWOOD 8020. This has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless, Bluetooth, DAB, USB and mirroring. Main features that people want: Apple CarPlay. I won't go through too much of it because you're all aware of it. Split screen, so forth, back and forth. Maps, everything that you need. We've also integrated the factory reverse camera, PDC as well, and then also steering controls, and everything is retained. If something like this interests you, give me a ring. It's Waz, B&B Audio Concepts. We're based in Cardiff, 02920 707 275, part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. Thank you very much for watching.